It's night night. Oh, this play on the computer. Whee! What's today? He's playing on the computer. I don't know. This is point. But that's what up. What you doing down there? Help, please. Fine. How you got yourself down there? I don't know. Fine, it's a shit walked. Wait up! Huh? Mario! Yay! I'm gonna play. Okay. Whoa! Ow! What? Oh, wow! Alright, guys. How about just play? I don't want to. Shut up! Did you just have to shut up? Get off it! Oh, done. I failed! Oh, God, guys. That's a long way down for a big drop for mans. But the top's on us. The top's on us. But we have to jump! Well, jump it! Way up! Whee! Are you sure about this? Let's drop, you stupid! Fine! I'm still... Where? Huh? Guys, why the top's on us? Just jump! Fine! Ah! We have to jump? Yeah, just come on! What's up? Are you sure about this, guys? Just jump, you dumb man. Okay. I'm falling! I'm gonna get all the way down there with the parachute! Wait, I don't need one. I think I'm perfectly fine. Whee!